Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I say this is Prizers TV, and I am here once more. I'm here because of one good news that we have for you. The news is a very, very good one about this international airport terminal you are looking at. Apart from being one of the most beautiful terminals in the world, based on me, I have not seen any other beautiful terminal building that look as beautiful as this. I have always said it. And many people thought that when I say it, I'm talking about maybe the cost of the airport terminal building. No, I'm talking about the beauty. Of course, in Dubai, they have so many terminal buildings that sometimes you look at them and they look like insects. Some look like cockroach. Very, very sophisticated. But to me, those designs, they are too much. They are overdone. When artwork is overdone, it gets spoiled. This is beautiful, simple, and classic. And because of the look of this airport, I have said that I'll be coming to give updates on this airport for some of you who are following me to see how this beautiful terminal building is later delivered. Because I know they are going to deliver it exactly as it is. And even deliver it much better than what you see. Believe me, it is. And when completed, this airport building is going to be the most airport terminal building maybe in the world or in Africa alone. But in Africa today, I don't see any airport building challenging it. Of course, I have seen so many complicated airport building. Even Ethiopia is building one airport building that is looking so eco-friendly, but it's designed like insect and very complicated. No, that is not what I mean. What I mean is simple and elegant. This airport terminal building, the architecture through this airport is supposed to be given a handshake. But let's not talk about it until the airport building is completed anyway, because most of you don't see what I'm saying. When I see a work, I add one and one. I will come up with the full result. When it comes to building, I'm not talking about any other thing. And I can then give you the result how the airport will be. And what do I mean? This airport building will either look like this, or much more beautiful than like this. Based on my own assessment, I know it is going to look much more beautiful than this, because this image is not shining. It's not shining, but it is still good. Why? Because of the design, because of the shape. Anyhow they build this airport with this shape, it is still going to look beautiful. It's either the airport building look this way, or it look this way, okay, or it look this way. They are all the prototype, but the same different style of finishing. Okay, the same different style of finishing. This one is finished with some mesh, and which are things that you may put and you may not put. It depends on how the work goes. Okay, so mesh is, they may put it and they may not put it because this is cheap anyway. It's just a plastic with no, it doesn't make any. It depends on how the finisher did it. Okay, but on every angle the airport is completed, it is going to be the most beautiful airport. Now, our comment today is something else, because I have seen that the airport is going to look more beautiful than how it is. Why? Because of one thing I noticed. That thing has happened twice anyway, but I am focusing on one. You see, this airport has a bridge or flyover, based on how you call it, because there are two bridges, one over and the other one down. So the bridge has pillars. Look at these pillars of the bridge here. Look at it. This is just a normal pillar. When you see it, the design is a normal pillars design. It is just started from down and it goes direct to hold the bridge and nothing more. You see? Now, but what are they delivering as the pillars today? And if you check over there, you will still see pillars there that carry the bridge. Now, remember, there are other pillars here, but these pillars, any pillar you see at the front of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport, the front I mean is here. Any pillar you see here will either go inside the building or be boarded as a garden. You will not see it when the airport building is completed. Okay? Now, but the pillars that will remain are pillars by the wings, the left side and the right side, which start after the end of the terminal building. Okay? They are both left and right, meaning that all the pillars you have been seeing designed with this form. I'm coming to show you how they are designed. Designed this form, they are all by either left or right. They are not in front of Murtala Muhammed International Airport. Now, let me go back to why I say that they are changing things for good at Murtala Muhammed International Airport building. I'm somebody who knows much about building, and when I see things, I just notice the change. Now, remember I say this pillar is just a straight pillar from down to the ground. Now they are delivering it much better. See what they are delivering. This is a straight pillar, just a pillar for building. There is nothing here at the up here. But when they are to deliver it, they change it to make it to look more futuristic. See what they are delivering. You see how curvy the pillar is? Now, the two pillars that is going to hold this beam These two pillars, they are curvy. See how they connect? They are curvy, making it to look more modern than how it is even drawn on the prototype. And for you to see it very well, see the type of pillars they are delivering. Curvy pillars. Curvy pillars. Better one than what they had on their prototype. And see the type they had on their prototype. The prototype is showing straight pillar. No design, nothing. Too straight. Just a holding bridge. As if this bridge was built in 1970. This is why I say that the airport building, when completed, is going to look more beautiful than what you see. Why? Because they are even increasing the beauty. Remember, the pillar we see here, this one, is easier to build. Is easier to build. Much easier to build. But the only problem here is that this one is going to, if they build it this way, it will be a concrete bridge. It will not be a beam bridge. But this is not something I come to talk about today, because concrete bridge is when bridge is gummed together with the pillars. While beam bridge is when bridge is not gummed together with the pillars. Meaning that there is going to be a beam here that will hold this bridge. Okay, so this one can actually make you to design the column better than the concrete bridge. Concrete bridge is only made when the place is high, or you want to design it in a different form. Okay, so let's go, because this airport is giving me joy each time I talk about it. So apart from this bridge pillars, there are other pillars we can see at Murtala Muhammed International Airport. As you see these pillars here, this is sharp pillars. Sharp means that the four corner or each of the corners is very, very sharp. This type of bridge is, or not bridge, pillars, is made to be inside the building. Okay, so as we can see it here, over here, yeah. So they are still constructing other pillars here, which are not for the bridge, but bridge is going to pass here anyway. Road is going to pass here, but building also is going to be here. Therefore, this one is made to attach to building, but there is road that is going to pass just as road pass here, as you see it. So this is where they are building the bridge, and so on and so forth. Well, our comment today is about the bridge, not any other thing, and I don't want to make the video too long. And I am happy when I noticed that the bridge which they designed as the prototype is not as beautiful as the one they are delivering. And I will shake the Nigerian Minister of Aviation for this type of work, because after designing a building, you can always change, but let the change be for the good. And the one I found on the pillar, believe me, when the building is completed, you then see the beauty of these small things I'm talking about. Another change I saw is what you see here. You see, this is Terminal 2, not Terminal 1. The one that we are talking about today is Terminal 1. But apart from Terminal 1, there is also upgrade happening at Terminal 2. And if you see on Terminal 2, they came up with a design, and that design is a skywalk connecting Terminal 2, to the car park. But this is like connecting it from the third floor. The only way you can go into the car park is you take a lift to third floor, or you are at the third floor the same, and then you cross direct. But now it is being changed. But changed for good, for better as well. Now it is no more skywalk. It is a house with the size of skywalk that can connect from first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, and the sixth floor. Any floor you are, you don't have to look a place to go and connect to car park. If you are at this first floor, you just cross and connect to car park. Second floor, the same thing. So these two things that I identify made me to notice that apart from that, the airport building is as beautiful as it is today, as it is now, it is still going to look much more beautiful than how you see, because the two amendments I am seeing has already convinced me. And I am very, very happy about that. Well, I am going to stop here. I will come again to be showing you what is happening at Murtala Muhammed International Airport, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. And believe me, the workers over there, they are doing their best. They are doing their best. The speed these people have taken this work is very, very magnificent. I can't explain, because I was afraid when they started the work that they may not finish this work, but with this speed, they are going to finish it within 1 year and 5 months, because that is exactly what remains, 1 year and 5 months. So the work has to be finished before the end of 1 year and 5 months, but I can see they can finish it. Once all the concrete is done, other things are very, very easy. Not easy, but easier than concrete. Concrete waste a lot of time. Remember, these people have been here. They have now spent about 7 months. Seeing where they are. Concrete is difficult, and sometimes the difficulty is not only because of to cast it and put iron. No, it's the time that you have to wait for it to dry, and so on and so forth. It has another law. Well, let's not talk much about it. What we come to talk about today is about the two amendments that even going to lift the airport to be much more beautiful than as it is. I can't wait to see this airport building completed. It is like I'm the only one who is seeing the beauty of this airport terminal building. But if you have not seen it, wait until it is completed. Everything here is solid, beautiful, including the road that people will take to climb the place. Everything is perfect. See, pedestrian walkways, flowers, everything is done in a way that you don't have to be walking anyhow. See, everything is perfect here. So thank you very much for watching. I know that you've been watching Prizes TV, and I am coming all the time to show you what is happening at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport, building 1 and 2, and also car park, and also the road, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.